To get started programming in Java, we need to download and install the compiler and the Java virtual machine that we'll use to create and run programs. So open your browser and go to oracle.com/technetwork/java/index.html. And when you get there, select the Downloads tab. Scroll down and look for Java SE under Browse by Category and select that link. Then down towards the bottom, I'll scroll it up a little bit. Under Java Platform Standard Edition, we have the Download JDK button. Select that. Pick your platform. I'm installing on Windows, so I select Windows. Click the button to agree to the license agreement, then click Continue. There's one file to select, the exe file. Select it, click Save File, and then we begin the download process. When we're finished downloading this file, the auto installer will begin, and it'll give us all the options we need. We're going to make standard default selections for the most part, unless you don't want to put the software in the default directory. And you can change that if you want to. I'll select the default, and we'll see what that is in just a moment. But keep in mind that it's going to install it under program files in Windows. So if you don't like to install things under program files, then you can make another selection at that time. Other than that, the installation is really quite simple. Now we're coming to the end. All right, double click the file. Click Next. It tells us what it's going to install: development tools, demos and samples, source code, and JavaDB. We won't use most of that in this course, but that's part of the standard installation. We're getting another version of the Java runtime environment. That's to run Java programs, not necessarily the ones that we're going to create, but ones that you get from the internet or other places. You probably already had that installed on your computer, but now you have a more up-to-date version. All right, I'll leave product registration information up to you. Click Finish. I'm not going to set this up right now, so I'm going to close this tab. Let me show you where the file is. We'll go to Computer. Scroll down to Program Files. Look for a directory called Java. And there it is right there. In the next lesson, we'll open that folder and take a look at the contents and talk about where different things are located.